What are counted as valid watch hours on YouTube? Hey everyone, it's Jewel Tolentino here from Esatino Media, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. So this is a quick video right here answering the question about what is counted as watch hours on your YouTube channel. So I've got this article pulled up by YouTube themselves, and it says here, what do valid public watch hours and valid public shorts views mean? So here we go. Valid public watch hours. It counts when watch hours are gained from long form videos that you've set to public. So this isn't YouTube Shorts. The vertical shorts, that's a different thing. That's lower down over here. So it's going to be videos from your main videos tab and if you do live streaming, not the shorts tab. And it says here, watch hours gained through the following types of video do not count towards the YouTube Partner Program. Private videos, unlisted videos, deleted videos, ad campaigns. So when you run ads on your videos, the views that you get from running the ad don't count. YouTube Shorts and live streams that are unlisted, deleted, or not converted to VOD. And the YouTube Partner Program is, of course, when you get access to all of the monetization functions, features, and earning abilities. So separate from long form watch hours are the valid public shorts views. So this is a separate thing for YouTube. So there's YouTube Shorts and then the regular long form YouTube videos. So it says here, what counts as a valid public short view? Views of shorts that you've set to public that appear in the shorts feed. When you are monetized and you are in the YouTube Partner Program, you can earn income from YouTube Shorts. It also says here, keep in mind that any public watch hours from shorts in the shorts feed don't count towards the 4,000 public watch hours threshold. So these shorts views are its own thing. They don't count towards this right here. And one public watch hour is equivalent to just like time. So that's 60 minutes of watch time. So if somebody watches 40 minutes of video and then another person watches 20 minutes of your videos, then that equals to 1 hour, one public watch hour. All right, so if this video was able to help you out, please let us know by hitting the thumbs up button. And if you want to know how our YouTube channel makes over $10,000 a month by creating simple tutorial videos like this, head down to the description below as we have a free training for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.